What do you get when you cross a Big Mac with the KFC Original Recipe Chicken? You get this freak, the KFC Chicken Big Mac. Crispy chicken with secret herbs and spices, with creamy Big Mac sauce, and it's freaking delicious. So to start off, we're going to put together the secret herbs and spices. So into a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of paprika, half a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of dried mustard powder, half a teaspoon of celery salt, 1/3 of a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and lastly, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now give everything a good mix around until combined well, and now into a container add in 2.5 cups of buttermilk and add in the mixed herbs and spices. Mix them around well into the buttermilk. Now place in the chicken. I'm using chicken breasts, but you can use the thighs as well if you wish, and you can fit heaps of chicken into this marinade, so the amount is really up to you. And then marinate for at least an hour, but for the best results, leave it to marinate overnight. For the breading mix, place in 2 cups of plain flour and add in the exact same amounts of the herbs and spices that we used before and add them to the flour. And give everything a good mix around until combined and leave aside. Now let's move on to the Big Mac special sauce. Into a bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of pickle relish, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of onion powder, along with half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried onion flakes, and finally half a teaspoon of sugar. Now give everything a good mix around until you get that famous colour the secret sauce is known for. Now to assemble the burger, I'm using the classic Big Mac ingredients: 2 pickles for each burger, 1 slice of cheddar cheese, half a cup of shredded lettuce for each burger, and 1 tablespoon of dried onions. Now the dried onions I've placed in a teaspoon of water which rehydrates them, which is exactly what McDonald's use. Now back to the chicken, and it's time to bread it. Place the marinated chicken into the flour mix and coat evenly. Now you can do this once and it's perfectly fine, but I always go in for a double dip to get a crunchier coating. So just repeat this step one more time. And what you'll have is this chicken with nuggets of seasoned flour. Now to fry the chicken, heat the vegetable oil to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit and place in and fry for 8 to 10 minutes. Every now and again, just lift out the chicken and turn it. Trust me, it makes the coating crispier. Now while the chicken is frying, prep the burger buns. To get the middle part, I use another base and slice off the dark side. Toast all the buns until golden brown, and then place 1 tablespoon of sauce on the heel bun and the middle bun. Spread it out to the sides, then add the rehydrated onion on both buns, add the lettuce to both buns as well. On the middle bun, place down 2 pickles, and on the heel bun or the base bun, place down a slice of cheddar cheese. Now the chicken will be ready to go. It will be this beautiful golden brown colour. Drain on paper towels to soak up any excess oil and leave for 1 minute just so it air dries. Then place down 1 piece of chicken on the middle and heel bun, and then place the middle bun on top of the chicken from the base, and then place on the top bun. And there you have it, the KFC Big Mac. This freak burger is seriously so good. So good, in fact, that the 2 companies should totally merge and make this product. It would be a top seller for sure. But you don't have to wait for these 2 fast food heavyweights to join up. You can make it at home and freak out your taste buds. If you love this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already for more recipes. And as always,
thank you so much for watching.